Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to quickly search for chats on the Telegram app for PC with the new update. Whether you're trying to find an important message or just want to revisit a past conversation, this feature makes it super easy and fast. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and at the main screen where your chats are listed. This is your hub for all conversations. Next, look for the search bar at the top left corner of the Telegram window. It's usually marked with a magnifying glass icon. Click on that search bar to activate it. Once you click the search bar, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Here, you want to choose Chats. Selecting this will tell Telegram to search specifically through your chat messages instead of other content like media or files. Now comes the fun part. Type in the keyword or phrase related to what you're looking for. As you type, Telegram will instantly start showing you chat messages that match your query. You'll see snippets of the messages along with the chat names where those messages appear. Scroll through the search results until you find the exact message or conversation you were after. When you click on the result, Telegram will open that chat and jump right to the specific message, saving you the hassle of scrolling through long chat histories. This updated search function is a huge time saver. Whether you're digging up old work discussions, finding shared links, or just remembering funny moments from your chats, the process is seamless and powerful. And that's it. Open Telegram, click the search bar, choose Chats, and type what you want to find. With just these simple steps, you're ready to find anything in your conversations quickly and effortlessly. Give it a try and enjoy the convenience of Telegram's new search update on PC.